Hello and welcome to my channel RIAS Technical. In this video you will learn how to create your new channel in your YouTube channel. Before start video, if you are new in my channel, so guys please subscribe my channel and press bell icon button so that you can get first of all notifications of my new videos. So guys, let's start video. First of all, you need a Google account or Gmail account. You know how to create Gmail account. If you not, give me comments. I will make video on this topic definitely. Okay, now go to Google Chrome browser. Here type youtube.com. I have Gmail account, so I select my Gmail account. You can make many channels with one Google account. So now I'm going to sign in. Here I just click my Gmail account. Here give your password and click the next button. You can see you are logged. Okay, you can see just corner of the top. Click your channel. Click the customize channel. Here you can see a setting. Left side bottom you can see, click setting. Here you can see the interface. Click channel and go to advanced setting. You just scroll down. Here select manage YouTube account. And then add or manage your channel. Click. You can see here create channel. So just click create channel. Here you can give the name of your channel, any name. Okay, I'm giving the channel name. You can give any name. XYZ music. Create. Now you can see your channel name XYZ music. And you can upload videos from here. How to upload video, I will make video on this topic soon. So thank you guys, keep watching, keep healthy.